Hi guys, welcome to the Yumanashi Engineering channel. In this video we will illustrate you the Yumanashi 30mm manifold set for both the stock for valve 125 and 160 head. The manifold inner diameter has been enlarged at the throttle body side by CNC 5-axis to accept the install of a 30mm throttle body. 30mm is actually a good choice in combination with the stock cylinder head. If you have a GT to 20 head, then we recommend a 30mm throttle body. This set includes a stock manifold top plate which has been enlarged to an inner diameter of 30mm, and this to match the throttle body diameter. And this top plate allows you to install the Euro 5 PCX 160 type 30mm throttle bodies. The manifold for the 2020 for valve SH150 has this parts number and has a small copper pipe installed, so if you have a bike which has this pipe on the manifold, then be aware that the Yumanashi manifolds don't come with this copper pipe installed. You can order it, however, separately. This set is only intended to be installed on the ESP Plus generation, which are the 2021 and newer Euro 5 engines. And this is the list of bikes which can run this manifold set. So guys, if you need this part, check out our website link in the description. We have it on stock ready to go. And take a look to the Yumanashi website. We are ready to deliver all parts you need worldwide to your doorstep.